October 18th, and today we are building a way to fertilize our plants without doing each one bucket by bucket. We're going to take a 55-gallon drum, cut it in half, put a pump on it, and then put drippers on every single one, so we don't have to sit there bucket by bucket to fertilize our plants. And if he does a good job today, I told him we're going to Spirit Halloween. We took a half a 55-gallon, actually a whole 55-gallon drum. We had a 115-volt pump, like for an RV. We went to Home Depot, got some of this. We put a spigot right at the bottom of our drum. Flows in, pushes it out. And now we're feeding all of our plants, so we don't have to come and do this by hand anymore.
Some's coming down from this one.
It's okay. Let's just let them feed. All right, so this is what I found to be the easiest way to kind of... Okay. Watch. Just poke a hole through it, and that's it. Now this one's gonna piss somewhere around here. But what I've also found is, make sure you do it on the bottom. If you can find the bottom. Okay. And then what you want to do is stake it like that. And then you need another stake. Maybe a couple more stakes here. Here's the new one. We're gonna stake this one right here. Okay. Like that. That one stays. Next. Remember how to turn the water on?
Yeah.
Can you go turn the water on for me, please?
Yeah.
Don't stand in the water when you do it.
Don't go in the water.
Don't stand in the water when you turn it on.
Okay.
Electricity 101.
Do I walk?
Yeah, you walk. No, but I'll let you use my car. Kid's 5 years old and wants to use my car already. Once he, oh boy, this is gonna be nasty. Once he puts the water on, we'll be able to get the weight of the hose down. The problem is we have no idea which way these things are gonna be spraying. So half of this bucket is gonna be 25 gallons. So I assume it'll probably be somewhere right to here. Maybe this would be faster if we took this nozzle off. They said to avoid the foam. We got too much foam happening. See that foam right there?
Yeah.
They said to avoid that, so don't get foam inside there. I don't know what it does, but they said to avoid it. So what we can do is we can open this all the way up, put it down on the bottom, let it fill up. We have about 18 plants in here.
18, 19, 20. 19,
And you can see some of these plants are
20,
thirsty.
21.
See this? They're thirsty. Look at that. Their leaves are curled up.
We have 21.
They're thirsty. Either they're thirsty or they're getting too much sun. Now, we're gonna plug in our invention. There it goes. It's like witch's brew.
Like this one's getting a lot.
No, that one doesn't need any. Just the big boys. Make sure all of them are getting some, okay? All the big boys. Witch's brew. So she's getting some.
Oh, this one has a...
There she goes. Now she's flowing. That one getting some. That one's getting some. We're getting some. I'm getting some. That one's getting some. That one and that one. Okay, we're good.
Okay.
We're all getting food. This one's getting some, yep. So they're all getting their food, right?
Yeah, come on.
What kind of job you did? What did you do?
I do not know what it's called, but I just get all of it. Welcome.
Oh, wow, look at that. Look what you did. You put all the old pots on top of there. And you know what that does for the plant?
What?
It keeps you from whacking the bottom of the plant with a weed eater. And for some reason, these key lime trees like the bottom of their bases covered. Come here, I want to show you what it looks like when you cover them for a long time. Look. Come here, let me show you what it looks like when you cover the bases of your key lime trees. For some reason, I don't know why, but this is what it does. They like it. See, this one even sprouted new roots. Look at that. We don't want that though. That's called a sucker. But look how big they get. See how big they get when you cover them? Yep. And look at all the key limes drooping down, because you got a lot of key limes under there.
Look over here.
Look at them all. Wow. Yeah, we got a couple over there. You got a lot of upper fruit too, which is good.
One up here. No.
Better not be. Well, why do we have these plants inside these tents?
Because we don't want bugs to get them and hurt them.
That's right.
And die.
That's right. But you know what we need to do? We need to weed eat. Look at this weeds in here. The weeds are no good for our plants. What did we do today? We worked on the key limes, and what else did we do? What else did I tell you we were going to do if you did a good job putting those pots on the bottom of the key lime trees? What did I say I was going to do?
Halloween.
Huh? I told him if he did a good job, I would take him to Spirit Halloween today. So he did a good job, and now we're on our way to Spirit Halloween.